Hi, my friends. How are you? What do you think of my lipstick? This is one of our new colors. Our company will put out a special item to support our Mary Kay Ash Foundation. And that foundation it supports cancer research for women. It also supports domestic violence, and domestic violence comes in many, many forms. I myself was in a very volatile marriage for many years. When I finally realized that I was more than what I was always being told I was, I removed myself from that situation. So this right now, during this time, the foundation is supporting these two lipsticks, okay? And I'm going to show them to you. This one is what I have on. It actually is a very, very pretty color. And I put labels on here. This is called Positive Impact. It's in a cute little heart-shaped package because, right, it is for love. And then this one is called Empower. And it's a little bit more vibrant, right? This has got a pink tone. So this one is Empower, and this one is a Positive Impact. And I'm gonna say it's got some red in it, but it also has browns, and it's just a very, very pretty color. Now, I don't have a lip liner on, and that is because for some reason I don't have one up here anymore. I don't know why, but I don't. And then I was starting to do my eyes, and then I thought, you know what, Kim, you haven't done a video in a little while, partly because I was sick. I was sick for a long time, and it was terrible. Back and forth with whatever the crud was, and then a whole bunch of other stuff. We don't need to go into detail. But anyways, I just received a phone call, and my life has just changed, which is what we do as women. We have a plan, and then that plan often can get changed. So I did my eyes. What I've done so far is I have used the Biscotti up here, and then I went with the Dusty Rose, right? Soft Heather. I usually go with Cashmere Haze because it's got a little bit less color to it, and it's a little more hidden, right? And then I put on one of my favorite colors, which is Shiny Penny. Now I'm going to finish this with two things. One, my pencil, just to get my brows a little bit more noticeable and maybe outline them a little bit. I came on primarily today because I want to talk about So with that, I'm going to finish my look. I think what I'm going to do, where's my brush I was using? I'm going to go with, because I used that color, I think I'm going to use a little bit of Sweet Plum. I have to go meet a water truck to help a lady. She is not going to have helpers helping her. I actually have to change my clothes. I have white shorts on. I was not going to get dirty today, but in the pool business, that is what you do. So I have my lips. I'm going to do something with my hair. My hair gets trimmed in 2 weeks, I think. Can't wait. Ooh, they're changing our packaging for our Ultimate Mascara. They're putting it in the same packaging as the other ones. So that'll be interesting. I was going to go and read up to see if they did any upgrade or any updating to the actual formula, but I don't think so. I think they're just changing the packaging to keep them all the same instead of ordering this one packaging for this particular one, because I'm sure it's easier if they can use all the same boxes, same packaging, right? Because these boxes are a little taller. You can just make it a lot. Other suppliers, they don't have to have different suppliers, right? It's a very smart thing. And honestly, if you look at the two, right? If you look at the two, there's a difference, and it's just that, and the boxes are about the same height, but just about. So if they change all the packaging to this type of packaging, why not? The only difference that this one, and I'm sure they can do it in that packaging, is this has the smart wipe, so it wipes off excess before you put it on your eyes. So there we go. I'm going to finish my eye. I'm going to finish my hair here in a minute, and I'm not putting powder on because it's 85 degrees. If it's not that already, it's going to be. Until later, ladies, we shall see you later. But if you heard my message and you can help me, that would be great. If you want to participate, I am going to have a phenomenal certificate for you to do this. So private message me. I'm giving you a good amount of Mary Kay, a gift card, and it's got 2 zeros in it with a 1. It's a 1 and 2 zeros and a dot and 2 zeros. So that is what you as the hostess are receiving in any choice you want of Mary Kay items. So you get to go shopping too. So help me. If you can help me, go ahead. And in the meantime, if you like my channel and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell. And as always, let's grab our makeup bags and we will do this together.